Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to unlike all photos on Instagram at once. And in order for us to do that, we may have to launch our Instagram applications. And from here, we are going to tap on the profiles and then our three lines, which is here at the top. And then we are going to tap on activity. And then we're going to tap on likes. From here, as you see, once you're here, you're going to find all the likes either categorized as videos or posts. And on here, we can actually categorize these likes into photos by tapping here at all content types and moving reels and tapping on apply. And as you can see, these are the photos that I do have. And if we want to delete still all of them, we can actually long press on one photo and tap on the photos that we don't want to see, or even all of them. And yeah, just below we can see that we have the option to unlike, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to unlike, and as you see, they have already been removed. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.